Hello everyone, welcome to this video lesson. Today we are going to solve a problem on vectors and the concept is about relative velocity. The problem is like this. A particle is moving along east with a velocity of 5 meters per second. So even before we go into the further part of the problem, let us try writing showing what he has given in the problem. It is given like this. On the paper, it is always east, positive x-axis, west, negative x-axis, north positive y-axis, south negative y-axis. It is given in the problem that a particle is moving towards east like this with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Then in a certain time 10 seconds it is given in the problem that velocity change it to 5 meter per second northwards. So if I call this as v1, there's a v2 now which is different like this. That is also 5 meter per second. This all happened in a time span of 10 seconds. If that is the case, what is the acceleration of this body? What is the average acceleration of the body? That's the problem. Let's try solving the problem using some basics. First of all, the formula for the acceleration. We know that acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity. Delta V is nothing but final velocity minus initial velocity, and a time is given for you. V2 is 5 along the north, that's j cap, minus V1 is 5 along the east, that's nothing but equal to I cap. It is given that the time is 10 seconds. That's what the value of the acceleration is. Suppose you are interested in identifying what's the magnitude of an acceleration. You have to write magnitude of that vector 5j cap minus 5I cap by 10. We know magnitude is root of x component square plus y component square minus 5 whole square, but still that's going to be 25 and 25, root 50 and 10. Root 50 is nothing but equal to 5 root 2 by 10. That's nothing but equal to root 2 by 2. That's nothing but equal to 1 by root 2. Acceleration is 1 meter per second square, 1 by root 2 meter per second square. This is how I have to solve the problem. Suppose my aim is to know what's the direction in which this acceleration is there. You can see this is in minus I and plus j. This is where minus I is there. This is where the plus j is there. So the acceleration vector will be somewhere in the second quadrant in between north and west. Thank you for watching. Keep coming back for more and more videos at Venkat's Academy YouTube. And there is also a website where you can get lots of lessons. That website is here. Venkat's Academy.com.